Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Steam account. So there's two different ways we can do this. So if you already have an account, what you want to do is go up to your name and you want to go to change account right here. And this is going to give you access to the login screen where you can change your account or create a new account. So Steam is going to restart right now, and then just go to add account right here. And then in the bottom right, there's an option to create an account. And we can go to this and we can type in an email address and then confirm the email address and then just go to continue. And it'll take you through the process to create that account. Otherwise, just open up Steam on your computer. So we can just go back, go to google.com, just type in Steam. And the direct link is store.steampowered.com. And then we can go to here, go to login in the top right. And then going down under here and go to create an account. And type in your email address, confirm it, your country of residency, and then go to I'm not human. Click right here, you're at least 13 years old or older. And then you're going to have to verify the email at some point in time so you can actually log in. And if you're going to be using Steam on a free account, you're going to want to spend $5 or more. Otherwise, you're not going to have access to your friends list or anything like that. So you can just fund your wallet with $5 and you should be able to use your friends list then. It specifically locks it for new accounts, so there's not a lot of spam messages and people hacking or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.